Good morning, students. We have Power Up 91 today. A. Is time. Rudy turns 11 years old today. How many months old is Rudy? I'll read it again like I always do. A. Rudy turns 11 years old today. How many months old is Rudy? B. Number sense. Reduce the fractions. 3/6, 3/9, 3/12, and 3/15. I will repeat that again. B. Reduce the fractions. 3/6, 3/9, 3/12, and 3/15. C. Number sense. 12.5 plus 12.5. C. Number sense. 12.5 plus 12.5. D. Measurement. Rami kicked the soccer ball 15 yards. How many more feet is that? D. Measurement. Rami kicked the soccer ball 15 yards. How many feet is that? So think about how many feet are in a yard, and you can do it. E. Powers and roots. I like this one. It's 1 with the exponent of 3. 1 with the exponent of 3. F. Probability. Lalo plans to flip a coin 10 times and record the results. Is it certain, likely, unlikely, or impossible that at least one flip will be heads? I will read it again. F. Lalo plans to flip a coin 10 times and record the results. Is it certain, likely, unlikely, or impossible that at least one flip will be heads? We are on to G. G is our calculation in this one. Something weird to throw us off. All right, the first in order of our calculation is the square root of 64. The square root of 64 times 3 minus 3 divided by 3 times 2 subtract 2 divided by 2 divided by 3 divided by 1. That's a long one. I will do it again. The calculation for G is the square root of 64 times 3 subtract 3 divided by 3 times 2 subtract 2 divided by 2 divided by 3 divided by 2. Now the next one, H. Roman numerals, something new for us. But I actually think you have some good ideas about these. All right, so for our Roman numeral, we have right, and then it is X with 2 lines in our number system. So you will definitely need to look at your books for this one. On page 647, write X, 2 lines in our number system. All right, I will read you the problem solving. I think it's going to take a little bit of calculation on your part on your paper, but you can do it. You've got this. Choose an appropriate problem-solving strategy to solve this problem. This table lists the years from 2009 to 2014 and the day of the week on which each year begins. Notice that each year begins one day of the week later than the first day of the previous year until 2013. Since 2012 is a leap year and has an additional day, the year 2013 begins an additional day later. Copy this table and continue it through the year 2023, which begins on a Sunday. All right, so pay attention because a leap year happens how often? Every however many years. You tell me. All right, I wish you the best. Remember to use the back of your book as a resource if you can't remember how often a leap year happens. All right, and I miss you terribly.